Dhaba Style Chicken Curry using Emami Mantra Chicken Masala. How cool is that? Now let's start making this amazing curry. I mean, I'm sure driving through out of the country, out of town, you come to these amazing dhabas and you wonder, wow, what is so special about them? Well, it's all about the freshness. And as we go along, I'm going to tell you why I love to use this amazing spice, because this is absolutely fresh. So now I have some chicken जो करी कट में कटा है, so it's almost like I would say about 500 to 600 grams of chicken. So we've got drumsticks, we've got some thighs, we've got some legs, the works. Now I'm going to be marinating this with some yogurt and then 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Okay, तो ये जो basics है I love to really do, क्योंकि ये जो टेंडराइजिंग होता है. Now ideally अगर आप ये थोड़ा सा 2 या 3 घंटे पहले या even overnight करें, the yogurt is going to give a really nice good richness to it. It's going to give a nice body to our curry as well. Along with that, I'm going to be adding a little bit of turmeric, about a teaspoon or less than a teaspoon actually of some turmeric. And then a little bit of red chili powder. Perfecto. तो ये जो हमारी original marination है, it's very important. Okay. Now the chicken masala, I'm going to be using it much later on in the recipe. Okay. First to let it going. I'm also going to be cooking this like all dhabas do. My favorite kachi ghani mustard oil, the strong variant, which I love completely. I'm going to be adding a little bit of salt, some salt to taste here, just to start the process. Perfecto. तो हमारा ये marination है तो बिल्कुल ready हो गया है. Now for the oil. And now it's ready to cook. So I've got 3 medium-sized onions here, which I've sliced already. Beautiful. So we're going to bring these onions to a nice light brown color to start off our processes. Perfecto. Now normally I would have put ilaichi, badi, ilaichi, choti, cloves, pepper, cinnamon, bay leaves. Imagine all that. I don't need to use any of that. Now with Emami Mantra Chicken Masala, I don't really need to worry, because it is made with 18 freshly ground spices and not any kind of ordinary grinding. It is actually cryo grinding which takes place. Now what happens with cryo grinding? In cryo grinding there is no heat used. What does that mean? That वो आपके जो oils है, जो freshness है, and everything about the spices stays intact, which means that the end result of your grinding and mixing gives you the most amazing product which I have right here. So my onions थोड़े से भून गए अच्छी. I'm just going to go a little more on this. Perfect. Next, we're going to be adding a little bit of our ginger garlic paste, which I have left here. Perfecto. So we have our ginger and garlic already in here, along with our amazing mustard oil and our onions. Okay. तो हमने डाल दिया ये. Now, if you have any recipes which reminds you of some good trips around, I think you must start sharing. If you need anything that I want to cook for you and give you some more beautiful recipes as well, please note them in your comments below and share them with me. Also remember, so I'm here to share my experience about food, my recipes. So do let me know what kind of recipes you want, and if you still haven't subscribed, ting ting, do ring the bell. So we've got a really nice caramelization happening over here, and next we're going to be dropping our chicken pieces inside. ब्यूटीफुल। माइंड ब्लोइंग। तो अच्छी तरह हम भून लेंगे इसको। नाउ यू कैन सी द भुनाइंग और द searing of the meat is very very important, okay? Because क्या होता है that once you sear it, you're actually retaining all the juices and flavors in here. तो ये आपकी हमने भूनने का नतीजा यही होता है। Amazing. So now I have here about 2 to 3 split fresh green chilies, okay? Now remember, ढाबा में ज़्यादा इंग्रेडिएंट्स ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं होते। इट्स ऑल अबाउट फ्रेशनेस। गुड मसालास, प्याज, अदरक, लहसुन, मिर्ची, टमाटर और दही। परफेक्ट हो। मज़ा आ गया। तो अभी हमने ये डाल दिया है, अभी हमने अच्छी तरह भून लिया है। नाउ आई हैव अबाउट 3 बारीक कटे हुए टमाटर which I'm going to be adding here as well. Beautiful. And as you know, kabhi ढाबे में they cut the tomatoes into big chunks. So at least when you're eating this, that you have these really nice juicy pieces of tomato as well in the recipe. So I'm just going to be mixing this in really well. You must be wondering, अरे चिकन मसाला की रेसिपी है भैया, शेफ आपने चिकन मसाला डाला ही नहीं है। डोंट यू वरी, इट ऑल हैपेंस। नाउ दीज मसालाज विल हैव टू बी एडेड, और आई लाइक टू add the entire chicken masala, about 2 tablespoons at least for this recipe, when I am halfway through the cooking process. So what we're going to do now, I'm just going to be adding a little bit of, say, about a cup and a half of water. Perfecto. And then I'm going to be mixing this really well. और अभी मैं इसको धीमी आंच पे about 15 मिनट के लिए पका देता हूँ। Okay, 20 minutes later. Wow. Now this is exactly what I was looking for. जब आपके ये जो टमाटर एंड अनियंस ऑलमोस्ट गल गए हैं, ऑलमोस्ट चिकन ऑलमोस्ट पक गया है, ओके, एट दिस स्टेज आई वुड लाइक टू पुट अबाउट 2 teaspoons, okay? Wow, all those lovely 18 spices are all coming through, beautiful. And then along with that, some मंत्रा का गरम मसाला as well. Perfecto. So ये जो combination है, I've always seen that ढाबे में end में गरम मसाले डालते हैं to finish it. Now अभी you see, अब इसका रूप बिल्कुल change होने वाला. Now look at that. Now this is what we are getting there. This is one saving grace, boss. ये जो ziplock है ना, बहुत ही काम में आता है. Now a lot of the spices you buy, 1 महीने 1.5 महीने के बाद कपूत. Now this stays intact. Beautiful flavors, quality, moisture वगैरह का. Now that's what I call a really good packaging too. So अभी हम इसमें हल्का सा पानी डाल देते हैं और मेरे पास थोड़ी सी चेरी टमाटोज भी है. Why not? आजकल आपको मार्केट में बहुत कुछ, बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट अ लिटिल बाइट ऑफ दिस टमाटो. जो पहले जो टमाटर है हमने बेसिक ग्रेवी में डाल दिए और वो बिल्कुल बहुत प्यारी एकदम गल गए. But now I want to eat some nice juicy cherry tomatoes which I'm going to add right now. I'll be back. Some lovely cherry tomatoes. That's the Vicky touch to it. Beautiful. अभी हम इसमें थोड़ा सा धनिया भी डाल देते हैं. Beautiful. Now that's what I call a Dhaba Style Curry. I hope you really love this recipe. Do like, do share, do subscribe, and definitely go grab yourself a packet of this Emami Mantra Chicken Masala, because it is just amazing. With this, I'm going to be serving some nice parathas and a nice tadka dal. And let me take you back to the dhaba memories by Vicky Ratnani. Now this is exactly जो हमें चाहिए. एक थोड़ी सी गाढ़ी सी ग्रेवी है kind of, और जो प्याज है टमाटर है बिल्कुल गल गए हैं. मेरी cherry tomatoes are just about to explode and get soft. So imagine lovely chicken curry, dhaba style wo bhi. That too using the best spices along with some amazing cherry tomatoes, a lovely dal tadka, paratha. Well, welcome to Vicky's Dhaba, I would say. Have you seen the magic of Emami Mantra Chicken Masala? If you haven't, check it out. And if you really want to feel it, go get yourself that packet and let's start cooking. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you soon.